Welcome. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to add a start and reset timer in Storyline 360 using JavaScript. First, open your course in Storyline 360. Once your course is ready, navigate to the slide master. Add two buttons to control the timer, and rename them Start and Reset. Next, create a text variable with a default value of 0. Place it in a visible location on the slide. This will display the timer. Select the Start button and create a trigger to execute JavaScript when it's clicked. Make sure the trigger runs only if the Start button is in the selected state. Open the JavaScript editor, paste your code and click OK. Then, add an else condition with another JavaScript trigger. Paste the provided code and confirm. Now, create a trigger for the Reset button to execute JavaScript when clicked. Paste the Reset script and click OK. Add a trigger to return the Start button to its normal state when Reset is clicked. Finally, add a trigger to execute JavaScript when the slide timeline starts. Paste the provided code and click OK. Close the slide master and preview your course. Clicking the Start button will begin the timer, and it can be paused on click. The Reset button lets you restart the timer at any time. And that's it, you've successfully set up a timer in Storyline 360 using JavaScript. Thanks for watching and happy course creating with Articulate Storyline 360.